Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathsala. I am Dr. G. Jeevaratnam, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Technology, Banariyamman Institute of Technology. Let us discuss about the time temperature indicators. This session will fully about the how the role of and combination of time temperature indicators will implement over the food products and how to monitor it. Let us start with the introduction part. The modern food industry is called on to deliver apparently contradictory market demands. Consumers want enhanced safety and sensory quality together with increased nutritional properties, extended shelf life and convenience in preparation and use, and requirement of food with a traditional wholesome image with less processing and fewer additives. The aim of scientists and manufacturers in achieving safer and better quality food by applying intense optimization and control of all their production and preservation parameters, and additionally explore and benefit from pioneering techniques to ensure safety and reduce food deterioration. So novel packaging and such as active packaging is among such modern tools. Producers and regulators rely on the development and relevance of such a quality and safety assurance systems based on the prevention through monitoring, recording and controlling of critical parameters through the entire product life cycle. These systems should include the post-processing phase and ideally extend to the consumer's table. Research and industrial studies show that chilled or frozen distribution and handling very often stray from recommended temperature conditions. Since temperature largely constitutes determination of post-processing parameter for shelf life under good manufacturing and hygienic practices. Hence, it is important to monitor and control. The convolution of the problem is highlighted when the variation in temperature exposure of single products within batches or transportation subunits is considered. Ideally, a cost-effective way to monitor the temperature conditions of a food products individually throughout distribution is required to indicate their real safety and quality. This requirement could be fulfilled by the time temperature indicators or integrators. TTIs can be classified as active packaging. A time temperature indicator based system could lead to effective quality control of the chilled chain, optimization of stock rotation and reduction of waste, and provide information on the remaining shelf life of the product units. A prerequisite for the application of time temperature indicators is the systematic study and kinetic modeling of the role of temperature in determining shelf life. So based on the reliable models of the food products shelf life and the kinetics of time temperature indicators response, the effect of temperature can be monitored, recorded and translated from production to the consumer's table. You will be able to know the principle and application of time temperature indicator, identifying suitable combination of time and temperature indicators for different products, infer the role of time temperature indicators to monitor the temperature exposure of food products during distribution from production till they displayed in the market. Let us go with definition and principle of time temperature indicators. A time temperature integrator or indicator can be defined as a simple economical device that can show an easily computable time temperature dependent change that reflects the full or prejudiced temperature history of a food product to which it is attached. The principle of TTI is a mechanical, chemical, electrochemical, enzymatic or microbiological irreversible change, usually expressed as a visible response in the form of a mechanical deformation, color development or color movement. The rate of change is temperature dependent, increasing at higher temperatures. The visible response thus gives a cumulative indication of the storage conditions. The extent to which this response corresponds to a real-time temperature history depends on the type of the indicator and the physical-chemical principles of its operation. Let us check with the classification of time temperature indicators. Indicators can thus be classified according to their functionality and the information they convey. A three-category classification will be discussed as follows. First, the critical temperature indicators. The critical temperature indicator shows exposure above or below a reference temperature. They enclose a time element, usually a short of few minutes or few hours, but are not intended to show history of exposure above the critical temperature. They merely indicate the fact that the product was exposed to an undesirable temperature for a sufficient time to cause a change critical to the safety or quality of the product. They can serve as appropriate warning in cases where physico-chemical or biological reactions show a discontinuous change in rate. Good examples of such cases are the irreversible texture deterioration that happens when phase changes occurs. Example, upon defrosting of frozen products or freezing of a fresh or chilled products. Application of critical temperature indicator is found in the denaturation of an important protein above the critical temperature or growth of a pathogenic microorganism. Second is the critical temperature or time integrators. Critical temperature or time integrators show a response that reflects the cumulative time temperature variation above a reference critical temperature. The response can be translated into an equivalent exposure time at the critical temperature. They are useful in indicating breakdowns in the distribution chain and for products in which reactions important to quality or safety are initiated or occur at measurable rates above a critical temperature. Examples such reactions are microbial growth of or enzymatic activity that is subdued below the critical temperature. And third is the time temperature integrators or indicators. TTI give a continuous temperature dependent response throughout the product's history, which is helpful in integrating in a single measurement initial to the final time temperature and can be used to designate an average temperature during distribution and not to be correlated to determine quality loss of reactions in foods. The term TTI will refer to this type of indicator. Based on the principle of indicators operation, different methods are classified, which are categorized as mechanical, chemical, enzymatic, microbiological, polymer, electrochemical, and diffusion based, etc. Let us see what are the requirements for time temperature indicators. The requirement for an effective time temperature indicator which does not reverse when the temperature is lower must show a continuous change in which the rate of temperature increases. A successful indicator shows a large number of other desirable attributes. An ideal time temperature indicator would have all the following properties. It exhibits an incessant time temperature dependent change. It is easily measured and reverse the changes if occurs. The change mimic or can be correlated to the food's extent of a quality, decent and enduring the shelf life. It is reliable, giving consistent responses when exposed to the same temperature conditions. Cost effective. Because of its flexibility, different configurations can be adopted for various temperature ranges. Example, frozen refrigerated room temperature storage with useful response periods of a few days as well as up to more than a year. It is small, easily integrated as a part of the food package and compatible with the high-speed packaging process. Has a longer lifetime before activation and can be easily activated. It is unchanged by ambient conditions other than temperature such as light, humidity and air pollutants. It is resistant to normal mechanical abuse and there is no change in its response. It is non-toxic, posing no safety threat in the improbable situation of product content. It conveys that the intended message to distribution handlers or inspectors, retail store personnel or consumers. It visualizes the measurements which is understandable and adaptable by electronic equipment for easier and faster information storage and successive use. Let us see the developments of the time temperature indicators over the period from the past to the future and present. The drive for the development of a helpful and low priced indicator dates out from the time when the importance of the temperature variation to the final food eminence during distribution become obvious. Primarily, the interest was firm on frozen foods. The first application of a device to specify handling exploitation dates from World War II when the US Army Quartermaster Corps used an ice cube placed inside every case of the frozen food. Vanishing of the cube indicated mishandling. The first untested indicator goes back to 1933. International patents appropriate to time temperature indicators have been issued. During the last 30 years, numerous time temperature indicator systems have been proposed, of which only few reached the prototype and even less the market stage. The first commercially available time temperature indicator was urbanized by Honeywell Corporation. This device never found any commercial application due to its expensive and high in volume. Researchers at the US Army Natick Laboratories developed a time temperature indicator in the past that was based on the color change of an oxidizable chemical system embossed by the temperature dependent permeation of oxygen through a film. Field testing over a 2-year period with the TTI attached to the horizon showed their potential for utilized. By earlier companies were making temperature indicators at the prototype stage. By the end of the 1970s, however, very petite commercial applications of the time temperature indicators had been achieved. Research and development activities subsided for the moment noted by a decrease in the relevant publications, and in the new time temperature models has been introduced. However, the better systems remained accessible and the development continued, aiming at fine-tuning and making performance more consistent. In the early 1980s, there are 4 systems commercially available, including the iPoint and the 3M monitored time temperature indicators. Their operation was based on the displacement of a fluid all along a capillary. See with the current time temperature systems. The 3 types of time temperature indicator have been the focus of both scientific and industrial trials for the past 15 years, and they claim to satisfy the requirements of a successful time temperature indicator and have evolved as a major commercial types on the market. They are described in detail in the following sections. First, we see about the diffusion-based time temperature indicators. The 3M monitor mark is a diffusion-based indicator. World Health Organization used it to monitor refrigerated vaccine shipments, which are the first significant application of the time temperature indicator. The reaction of the indicator is the advance of blue dyed ester diffusion. The useful range of temperatures and the response life of the time temperature indicator depend on the type of ester and the concentration of the origin. Thus, the indicators can be used either as a critical temperature time indicator with a critical temperature equal to the melting temperature of the ester, or as time temperature indicator if melting temperature is lower than the range of the temperatures the food is stored. Example, below 0 degrees Celsius for chilled storage. A viscoelastic material migrates into a diffusively light reflective porous matrix at a temperature dependent rate. This provides a visual response in progressive change of the light transmittivity of the porous matrix. The response rate and temperature dependence is controlled by the tag configuration, the diffusing polymer's concentration, and its glass transition temperature, and can be set at the desirable range. The time temperature indicator is activated based on the addition of the 2 materials. These materials can be stored separately for a longer period at an ambient temperature before usage. Second is the enzymatic time temperature indicators. The WITSAP is the successor of the iPoint time temperature monitor. The time temperature indicator is an enzymatic indicator. A color change caused by a pH decrease, which is the result of a controlled enzymatic hydrolysis of a lipid substrate by an indicator. The indicator consists of 2 separate compartments in the form of a plastic mini pouches before activation. One compartment contains the lipid substrate observed in a pulverized PVC carrier and suspended in an aqueous phase, and a pH indicator mix. The other contains an aqueous solution of a lipolytic enzyme such as pancreatic lipase. Glycerin tricarbonate, that is tricaproin, mixed esters of polyvalent alcohols, tripelargonine, tributyrene, and organic acids are included in the substrates. At activation, enzyme and substrates are mixed by mechanically breaking the barrier that separates the 2 compartments. Different combinations of enzyme substrate types and concentrations can be used. Enzyme and substrate are mixed by mechanically breaking the barrier that separates the 2 compartments at activation. Hydrolysis of the substrate, example tricaproin, causes acid release, example caproic acid. The pH drop is translated into a color change of the pH indicator from deep green to bright yellow. Endpoint colors and reference starting are printed around the reaction window to allow easier visual recognition and evaluation of the color change. Time temperature indicators claim to have a long shelf life if kept chilled before activation. The continuous color change can also be measured instrumentally. And third one is the polymer based time temperature indicators. A solid state polymerization reaction is based for the Lifeline's freshness monitor and fresh check indicators. Through a lattice controlled solid state reaction proceeding via 1,4 addition polymerization and resulting in a highly colored polymer, it is based on the property of disubstituted diacetylene crystals. The crystal structure of the monomer is retained and the polymer crystals remain chain aligned and are effectively one-dimensional in their optical properties during polymerization. The color change of the time temperature indicator is measured as a decrease in reflectance. The freshness monitor consists, which includes a strip with a thin coat of the colorless diacetylic monomer and 2 barcodes, one about the product and the other identifying the model of the indicator, and in front it consists of a orthogonal piece of laminated paper. The first check version for comparing color of the active center of the time temperature indicator is compared to the reference color of a surrounding ring, and it is round. The change is perceived as a change from transparent to black laminate as a red or yellow color. The reflectance of the freshness monitor can be measured by scanning with a laser optic band and stored in a handheld device supplied by the time temperature indicator producer. A portable calorimeter or an optical densitometer is measured continually, evaluated visually by press scan. Before use, the indicators active from time of production have to be stored deep frozen where change is very low. Let us see how to maximize the effectiveness of the time temperature indicators in the application of the food products from raw to the product and market stage. In spite of the potential of the time temperature indicators to contribute to a large extent to improved food distribution, reduce food waste, and make use of the customer by increasing the shelf life, recent applications has not reached to the initial expectations of the consumers. The main reasons for the reluctance of food producers to adopt the TTI have been: first thing is the cost, second is the reliability, and third is the applicability of the time temperature indicators over the food products. Cost is the volume dependent. Cost benefit analysis should favor use of time temperature indicators and satisfy the questions of the time temperature indicators. The consistency question has its roots in the history of indicators due to partly be short of sufficient data both from studies and suppliers. Initial attempts at using TTA as a quality monitors were not well designed and hence unsuccessful. Re-emerging discussions by rigid agencies to make time temperature indicator use which is fixed, their consistency established but resulted in resistance by the industries. Current time temperature indicator systems have achieved high standards of production and quality, pledge and provide reliable and reproducible responses according to the specifications stated. BSI issued the testing standards and can be used by the time temperature indicator manufacturers as well as time temperature indicator users. Hurdles in the time temperature indicators were its commercial applications. Time temperature indicators response can be used as a measure of food quality, but they are unproductive in establishing their methodologies. The initial approach was to assume an overall temperature dependence curve for the lifetime of a general class of foods, example frozen foods, and aim for an indicator that has a similar temperature dependence curve for the time to reach a specific point on its scale. Foods of the same type differ significantly in the temperature dependence of the deterioration in their quality, and their generalization has proved as insufficient. A thorough knowledge of the shelf life loss behavior of the food system through accurate kinetic models is needed. The general assumption is that the behavior of a time temperature indicator should strictly match that of the particular food to be monitored at all temperatures. This approach, even if feasible, practical and requires an unlimited number of TTI models. Instead of time temperature indicator exactly mimicking quality of deterioration behavior of the food product, a meaningful general scheme of translating time temperature indicator response to food status is needed. This should be based on the systematic modeling of both the time temperature indicator and the food. We use the time temperature indicators to monitor the shelf life during the distribution of the food products over the consumers. Time temperature indicators can be used to monitor the temperature exposure of food products during distribution from production till they displayed in the market. Attached to individual cases or pallets, they give a measure of the preceding temperature conditions at selected control points. Information from TTAs can be used for the continuous overall monitoring of the distribution system, leading to acknowledge and correction of weak links in the chain. Furthermore, it serves as a proof of compliance with the contractual requirements by the producer and distributor. It can guarantee that a properly handled product was delivered to the retailer, thus eliminating the possibility of unsubstantiated rejection claims by the latter. The presence of the time temperature indicator itself would probably improve handling, serving as an incentive and reminder to the distribution employees throughout the distribution chain of the importance of proper temperature storage. TTI is also used in the indicating shelf life endpoint indicators readable by the consumer by the attachments on the individual products. Test using continuous instrumental readings to define the endpoint under constant and variable temperature so that such endpoints could be reliable and accurately recognized by panelists. However, for a successful application of this kind, there is much complete requirement that the time temperature indicator response matches the behavior of the food. To achieve this, time temperature indicator endpoint should coincide with the end of the shelf life at one reference temperature, and the activation energy should differ by less than 10 kilojoules per mole from that of the foods. In this way, the time temperature indicator attached to the individually packaged foods can serve as active shelf life labeling instead of or in conjunction with the open date labeling. Time temperature indicator assures the consumer that the product was properly handled and indicates remaining shelf life. Consumer surveys have shown that consumers can be very receptive to the idea of using these time temperature indicators on dairy products along with the date code. Use of time temperature indicator can thus also be an effective marketing tool. Diffusion-based time temperature indicators have been used in foreign countries and research studies going on to implement in India. There are several experimental studies which have sought to establish correlations between the response of specific time temperature indicators and quality characteristics of specific products. Foods have been tested at different temperature, plotting the response of the time temperature indicators. Time and the values of selected quality parameters of the foods before testing the statistical significance of the time temperature indicator response correlation to the quality parameters. Foods correlated to the time temperature indicators include chilled lettuce and tomatoes, chilled fresh almond, pasteurized whole milk, chilled cod fillet, refrigerated ready to eat salads, ice cream, frozen hamburger, ultra high temperature milk, refrigerated orange juice, pasteurized cream, cottage cheese, frozen strawberries. Such studies offer useful information but do not involve any modeling of the time temperature indicator response as a function of time and temperature. They are thus applicable only for specific foods and the conditions that were used. We have discussed about the past and present of the time temperature indicators. Let us see with the future trends of the time temperature indicators applicable over the food products and its through markets. Time temperature indicators will predictably find wider application as a tools to monitor and control distribution as their potential is thoroughly understood by the food industry. Progress on the variety, stability and suppleness of the time temperature indicators and on better quantitative shelf life characterization of food products will allow successful application of chill chain optimization tools such as the intelligent shelf life decision system. Research progress in the area of quality kinetic modeling and predictive microbiology will show perfection of time temperature indicator concept can be meaningfully and safely expanded to contribute to the quality of more foods. User-friendly softwares will integrate support systems designed to predict effects of processing parameters and product design to food product quality. The next state of time temperature indicator technology and of scientific approach with regard to the quantitative safety risk assessment in foods. Let us conclude the session of time temperature indicators with the following summary. Food is packaged for storage, preservation and protection, traditionally for a longer time. The aim of scientists and manufacturers in achieving safer and better quality food by applying intense optimization and control of all the production and preservation parameters, and additionally explore and benefit from pioneering techniques to ensure safety and reduce food deterioration. Producers and regulators rely on the development and relevance of structured quality and safety assurance systems based on prevention through monitoring, recording and controlling of critical parameters through the entire product life cycle. As an important indicator for monitoring the quality of food packaged food is temperature. Time temperature indicators are used as a cost-effective and user-friendly devices to monitor, record and translate the overall effect of temperature history on the food quality in the chill chain down to a product unit level which is safeguarded to the market. The principle of TTA is a mechanical, chemical, electrochemical, enzymatic or microbiological irreversible change, usually expresses a visible response in the form of a mechanical deformation, color development or color movement. Examples of such reactions are microbial growth or enzymatic activity that is subdued below the critical temperature. And time temperature indicator give a continuous temperature dependent response throughout the product's history, which is helpful in integrating in a single measurement the full time temperature history and can be used to designate an average temperature during the distribution and possibly correlated to determine quality loss reactions in foods. Time temperature indicators can be used to monitor the temperature exposure of food products during distribution from production till they displayed in the market with respect to the time. Information from time temperature indicators can be used for continuous overall monitoring of the distribution system, leading to acknowledgement and correction of weak link chains in the chain. Time temperature indicators also used in indicating shelf life endpoint indicators readable by the consumer by the attachments on the individual products. Time temperature indicator assures the consumer that the product was properly handled and indicates the remaining shelf life and safeguard to the consumers until it reaches over to the hands of the consumer as a safe product.